And good morning. Yeah, I'm a little tired. Day 3 is always kind of tired. Especially if you've had like a couple nights where you were up a lot of the night. But I did go to bed early last night. It takes me a while to get up. And it's Sunday, I think. It's the weekend, so I'm trying to wake any of the neighbors up. But let's get ready to go to work, and we'll try the day with a prayer. Dear Lord, thank you so much for this beautiful day and this opportunity to be able to get up and go out and provide for my family. Please protect me and my coworkers and most of all my family while we are out trying to protect the citizens of this county, and just let everybody have a good feel of calmness in their hearts today. And please let us make it safe to work. And thank you so much for the opportunity to drive this old junky car that I love more than anything. Amen. All right, I've got to wake up a little bit, but let's see if we can get this thing started, and then we'll head on to work. All right, let me let it warm up, and then we'll head on to work. All right, well, we made to work. Camera cut out there for a minute. Got a little problem. I keep hearing a knock on that side. And I stopped to check it out, and it looks like the fender on that side, one of the bolts is coming loose. So it's like dump, dump, which is kind of annoying. Could be because the tires are a little big and they rub just a tiny bit. So after this shift, I think we're going to need to fix that. It's still breaking up a little bit. It's still not... idle's good, but it's like a little bit of a backfire, so we're still not right on time, but I also think maybe the cap needs to be replaced. I don't know if I damaged it or something like that. It's like it'll work great and then not work great. I don't know. We're just not quite there, but soon. Anyways, I'm going to get into work here, and then make sure y'all have a great day. And if you like seeing these videos, make sure you like and subscribe, and enjoy your Sunday.